Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce garlic pasta. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment, ensuring everything is ready before you begin cooking. Next, we'll focus on perfectly cooking your chosen pasta to an al dente texture. Then, we'll create a rich, creamy garlic sauce from scratch. Finally, we'll combine these elements for a truly delicious meal. Let's start with the pasta. Bring 4 quarts of generously salted water to a rolling boil in a large pot. Add 1 pound of your favorite pasta, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Cook the pasta for 8 to 10 minutes or until it reaches a perfect al dente texture. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of that starchy pasta water. Now for the star of the show, our creamy garlic sauce. In a large skillet, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add 6 cloves of finely minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking for another minute. Gradually pour in 2 cups of milk and ½ cup of heavy cream, stirring constantly until the sauce thickens beautifully. It's time to bring everything together. Add your cooked pasta directly into the creamy garlic sauce in the skillet. Stir in about ½ cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese until it's fully melted and incorporated. If the sauce seems too thick, add a little of that reserved pasta water to achieve your desired consistency. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve this delightful dish immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.